Okay, so I just picked it up, and I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but it's called I want to say AKASO. That could be the wrong name. Sorry about that. That could be the wrong name for it. But it's the EK7000 Pro 4K camera. Now, oh, well, action camera, my mistake. Now this one has a touchscreen on it. I don't know about any of the other ones because this is actually the first one. And I was about to do an unboxing, and then I forgot to start recording, so I'm kind of in the middle right now. So this is my unboxing video. Now they said it has a touch screen on it. Also, it's supposed to come with a remote control, I believe. So get on with it. Like I said, I already had opened that in. I just didn't think about doing the video at the time. I've never had one before, so I don't know exactly what they're supposed to look like. Forgot all about that. Save that for another video. This is T. I didn't need to put that in the camera. All right, so it's pretty nice. It's a pretty solid case. Now, from here, it says that they're supposed to shoot in ultra 4K. Let me see if I can get a. No, that's as far as it's gonna go. And it's supposed to be waterproof too. I didn't know that. So what I'm gonna do, and here's all the specs on it. If I can get it to focus, that's the best it's gonna get. But yeah, here's all the specs on it. If you can see that, this camera is using the autofocus. I should have took that off. But so it's integrated with the wireless network, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know anything about these. I just needed a backup camera, and I wanted something small that I can use to carry around with me. Besides that, the other camera that I got over there, the Sony CyberShot DSC H300, which is pretty crap on focusing, but it's good once it get focused. So it has a 2.4 gigahertz remote controller, which is included. The display is 2-inch. This is an IPS from what they're saying here, which is pretty good. Let's see, storage, we have a micro SDHC card, which is not included. Not really worried about that because I have one. Now, it does not say what the storage limit is though. So I'm gonna have to probably go back online and check that. It has the mounts that's included. Input, output, micro USB, HDMI. Let's see. Now it's supposed to have 4K resolution, like I said. I'm gonna do another video, and you'll be able to see if this is actually 4K. Which I mean, it may be, it may not be, but it's supposed to be able to do 4K at 25 FPS, which is frames per second. Let's see, 2K at 30 FPS, 1080p at 60 FPS, and 720p at 120 FPS. Now, as far as the photos go, let's go to 16M. It's a battery is a 1050 milliamp hours times 2. Let's see, like I said, waterproof up to 3 feet, but I'm not going to be testing that. This thing here cost me about $75. let's see, it has a wireless connection, of course, and multi-language. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna get into this in another video. I just wanted to do an unboxing so you can see what it looked like and everything. But this is, I wasn't expecting all that. It looks pretty cool though. So let's see if we can get a good view of it. Sorry about the finger, I cut my finger earlier. That's what the bandage was going on. So just stay tuned for the next video. And like I said, I can't pronounce that name, but and there you have it. Thanks for watching. Oh, I will leave a link in the description below. As always, please like and subscribe.